All right, Arunodhay Singh, thank you for joining us. Our next participant has brought our country a lot of pride and the state of Maharashtra, but he's literally inseparable from his hockey stick. Let's see who it is. Hassan Zaidi, can we have you up on stage, please? You may not recognize him, he's just lost his hair. It's a part of the training for Siachen, I think. That wasn't, by the way, that was a joke. You don't have to lose your hair, brother. All right. Our next participant, again an actor in film and television, but he is the face of young India. Ranvijay, brother! Good to have you back on stage. All right. Our next participant, actually none of them need an introduction, but he more than anybody else. Women have been swooning on him from his early days. He's been around for over a decade, first as a model, then as a very successful actor, national award winner. I'm not going to say no further, let the visual do the talking. Arjun Rapal, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Now that's 7 of the 9. 2 of the 9 unfortunately could not be here with us today because they had prior commitments. As you know, one of them is a cricketer and he's on cricketing duties. So while they can't join us on stage, let's take a look at the promos so you know who they are. And our last participant. The best thing to do is use hashtag Siachen, salute Siachen, sorry, and it can be on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. The moment you use hashtag salute Siachen, we will track it and we will count that as your salute to this initiative. So, yeah, guys, you have a lot of salutes to carry. Keep some space in that backpack.
मेरा सवाल सभी सितारों से है जो सियाचिन जाने वाले हैं आपके सामने से कि किस तरीके से आप तैयार हैं मेंटली एंड फिजिकली इस 15th अगस्त के लिए या इस सियाचिन जाने के लिए.
I think Shlok would be the right person to answer this.
नहीं सर, सभी लोग बोलेंगे तो सबके जहन की बात सामने आएगी. आप शुरू कर सकते.
मेरे लिए मेरा शरीर देखकर मुझे टेंशन हो गया था कि मैं जा पाऊंगा कि नहीं, लेकिन मैंने उनसे बात की और मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि थोड़े भारी शरीर के लोग भी ऊपर जा सकते हैं. तो मैं खुश हूं कि मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा और वापस भी आऊंगा.
सर एक एक करके अगर आप सभी लोग.
नहीं, मैंने ज़िंदगी भर ट्रेनिंग की है लेकिन अभी ऐसी कभी कुछ चीज़ की नहीं है और देखना चाहता हूँ कि उस ट्रेनिंग का कोई फ़ायदा है या नहीं. और अपने आप अपने बारे में जानने के लिए और इतनी ऐसी जगह जहाँ आप किसी से भी टिकट नहीं खरीद सकते और कोई भी नहीं जा सकता, या चढ़ पाएंगे और वापस आ पाएंगे और ज़िंदगी का वहाँ पे क्या एहसास होगा ये कहीं और नहीं मिल सकता. तो जब जुल्फी ने आके बोला था कि आपको जाना है तो मैंने तुरंत बोल दिया हाँ, बाकी कुछ सोचा ही नहीं. अब देखेंगे उसका क्या होगा.
Reasons of doing this तो अनेक हैं, लेकिन preparation जैसे कि आपका सवाल है, I don't think you can ever be prepared enough to be in Siachen, but we are in very good hands. और I think हमारी preparation यही है कि हम जो दिलशाद मैम हैं उनकी सारी बातें सुने जो हम लेकर जा रहे हैं. We understand कि वो क्या instructions हैं and we follow them, because if we are already here, if we are chosen physically, including Shlok, we're just joking, we're all physically fit, but वहाँ पर, like it was said earlier, you have to be mentally strong and you have to be able to listen to instructions and follow them. So that's our training. That's how we're getting prepared. We meet, we bond, and because at that place, our families is each other, our friends is each other, and we'll have a lot of time to know about each other and why each and every one of us is doing it. So that's the preparation, to be mentally strong.
I think since I initiated a lot of this work, long before you actually see this, what you see is a stage 1, culmination of stage 1 for us. But I can tell you, and some of the visuals that you saw will tell you how supremely fit most of the people that you see on stage are. I know some people ask me, ये celebrities हैं, क्या इनकी आदत है चलने की, क्या नहीं है? But you'll be surprised the amount of hard work that they do, the amount of hours that they invest in keeping fit, and what we actually did is कि हमने एक ग्रुप बना लिया था, और एक दूसरे से बात करते थे, एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करते थे, और जैसे जैसे हम करीब आते गए डिपार्चर डे के एंड इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के, एंड देन वी लीव ऑन 15th मॉर्निंग, हम वैसे वैसे अपनी ट्रेनिंग को और इंटेंसिव करते गए. Just to share some things with you, that last 2 weeks, every member over here has been drinking more than in excess to 5 liters of water, because you need to start, as you get closer to the date. And Vijay mentioned mental preparation, that itself is a thing. And the beauty of all this preparation and training and all the hard work that's gone in, कि journey अभी start नहीं हुई है. इतनी तैयारी तो अभी से start होने की. And most of you all know, you fly into Leh and then acclimatization. Then you are on the glacier, you're walking on scree in the first part of the journey, then you are on ice, you're going to be roped up to each other, you're going to cross crevasses. So it's quite intense. All I can tell you is that each member that you see on stage is so committed and so focused as far as training and preparation is concerned, is typically things that are not known to the general public at large.
अर्जुन, जब आपने ये कॉन्सेप्ट घर वालों को बताया तो क्या रिएक्शन था?
मैंने अब तक नहीं बताया उनको. नहीं, एक्चुअली ये जो सब कह रहे हैं बहुत सही कह रहे हैं, और जैसे कि दिलशाद जो हमारी लीडर हैं, उन्होंने हमसे मिलते ही कहा कि आप एक ओलंपिक लेवल के एथलीट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पर जो भी हीरोगिरी दिखाएगा उसके लिए एक चॉपर आएगा, नॉट टू सेलिब्रेट देम, क्योंकि आप एक स्ट्रेचर पे लेटे होंगे और आपको उठा के लेके जाएंगे. सी विद समथिंग लाइक दिस क्या होता है कि यू आर गोइंग इनटू नेचर. नेचर को जितना आप रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, वो एल्टीट्यूड को जितना आप रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, उधर एक्लेमेटाइज होना, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना, एज इट विल बी फिजिकली. जब आप थक जाते हैं तो इमोशनली और मेंटली जो सहारा आपको मिलता है, आई थिंक दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. और इसीलिए जो हमारे सोल्जर्स वहाँ पर कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे को यूनाइटेड रख रहे हैं वहाँ पर. एंड फॉर अस टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी like this to go there, I think thanks to Eros now and Colonel Bulkumar for making sure that we could get there. Pehli baar, I think civilians are being allowed to go all the way till the glacier, and I think that's a huge opportunity. तो मेरे नाना जी आर्मी में थे, उन्होंने वो सियाचिन चढ़े थे. They had put the first gun there, और so it's for all those heroes in our lives that we want to salute, who have their own little battles, okay, that I think we all are going for. So I think that personal thing is your training, कि आप में जितनी जिगर है अंदर, जितना हौसला है, उससे I think that's what's going to see us through. I don't think any of our training and fitness is really going to help after a point.
Hi, Ariman Raj here. Yeah. Mr. Zulfikar, how do you plan to broadcast this once it has been shot?
Yeah, yeah. Well, this has not been planned as a normal commercial project that we do. As I mentioned, we believed in taking this story out, and we are going to take it by the day, to be very honest. It's uncharted territory, and we're going to record a lot of it. It's their individual journeys, some very, very unique stories. Like Arjun mentioned, his grandfather, was there in the army. Ranvijay is sixth generation in the army. His father just retired as Lieutenant General. So there are unique stories. We are going to document this entire trip. When we come back, we'll stitch up a nice story, and then we'll put it out for people. And the idea is to put out something which is so inspiring on two levels. One is to, honor the men that continue to man the posts over there in all the adverse conditions that they do. And the other is to, propagate or encourage a spirit of adventure and a little bit of being a nationalist, at some level, yeah.
Yeah, my next question is actually for Ms. Dilshad, so if she could come on stage, please.
Ma'am, Dilshad ma'am, there's a question for you.
Dilshad, you're never going to be done. I can promise you that
Hi,
much.
Dilshad here.
Hi, no, I'm okay. What's
Yeah.
the question?
Yeah,
coming for you.
Ariman Raj.
Hi.
Being the leader for all these celebs, what are the kind of rules you have set for them? And you have Ranvijay, who is quite a prankster. You have Arjun, which is quite a prankster. So what kind of tough roles do you have in mind?
And will there be a teetotaler during this duration?
Exactly.
Yeah, Arjun.
Yes. The answer
Yeah,
to the second
Arjun,
question
yeah.
is yes.
Will you guys be teetotaler
Yes.
during this?
Ask me. Ask me that question.
और गरम चाय भी नहीं मिलने वाली. That's what you told
Garam
us.
chai bhi
That
nahi
is why-
milegi because
that
by
is
the
why I
time it
asked
reaches
you.
their tent, it's going to be ice cold. But to answer your question, there are some very basic, simple rules. Don't try to be a hero. The altitude will get you, even if you're an Olympic athlete. And therefore, the slower you are, the faster you'll reach. The last person in is the one who actually gets the medal in treks like these. Early morning walks, because the sun can get very, very, very hot and very burning. So we would rather not trek in that kind of heat. So the ideal thing would be to leave by 6. So everybody has to wake up by 5. Rule number 1. Be ready to leave by 6. No man can be left behind. The trekking party will wait for no one. So I'll be cracking my whip from 5 o'clock onwards. They're very basic, simple rules. If you feel ill, I need to know. If you don't feel that you're going to be able to walk ahead, I need to know. Because if I don't, then I have no idea what you're feeling. Every headache is not necessarily acute mountain sickness, but every headache needs to be addressed. And it's just really very simple rules.
I've got a couple of questions.
All right, she
for all
wasn't
you
this
guys.
nice to us while she was briefing us. So we'll just tell you that there are lots more details, and it's very, like, life is going to be basic and starting from like 15 kgs se zyada nahi hai, and a lot of these things were there, but our whole idea is to listen to her. So if we want to come back safe and sound to tell the story.
I've got a couple of questions for all you guys here. All right, so how long is the duration of this trek going to be?
It's altogether 20 days, including the acclimatization period.
And is it only you guys up on stage who are going to be traveling, or do you have more companions?
There are
along?
more people coming on this trek.
So approximately
They are
how
my
many?
regular trekkers who have trekked with us everywhere all around India.
So
There are
that
about
would
5
be
of them more.
5 of them more. And why only celebrities, and why no one, like?
Well, actually, the idea came from Zulfi.
We asked some press people, they refused.
I wasn't asked. Sorry.
I actually called Zulfi.
I wasn't asked.
I actually called Zulfi to tell him to come for the trek because I knew that it was right up his alley and I knew he'd love it. And over to him.
As I said, I thought it was a brilliant story. And especially for Young India, they needed to be told in detail. Young India is also used to seeing celebrities flying in a chopper. That's one. And how do you actually get the story out? How do you get people to take notice? You put something out like that, just the normal stuff, people, it passes you by. And if you have these known faces, popular faces, who have tremendous following, when they do something like that, it gets noticed, it helps spread the word, and that's the reason we did it.
Arjun, Ranvijay, are you going to be missing out on Snapchat and Instagram and making Facebook posts up there? I mean, it'll be interesting to see, but then there won't be any signal.
Yeah, I think that's the greatest part of it. I think this time we're going to nature, and nature doesn't want any of that around. Okay, so whatever we can document, we will come back and share with you all. But I think it's going to be beautiful just to cut off from all of that. That's one of the main reasons to go.
And what all are you going to be carrying with you, because it's a 20-day trek and you'll have to carry your own things. So for 20 days, what all are you going to be carrying? How much weight are you ready to carry?
You can only carry 15 kilos, not more than that.
Okay, so Arjun, Ranvijay, Arunoda, if you could answer that, what all you'll be carrying?
Two trekking pants, three thermals, 1 down jacket, 1 micro down, 1 fleece jacket, 2 dry fit t-shirts.
देखो बेटा
Underwear?
ये जो बोल
You have
रही
to
है
carry
ना उससे
underwear
ज़्यादा
also.
कुछ नहीं
And
ले
your
जाना
boots.
Is bathing allowed?
Dilshad, you forgot underwear.
If you want to have a bath in that temperature, go ahead. Make my day.
Yes. And some cologne. Lots of cologne. Lots of deodorant.
Shampoo, conditioner, a saloon.
We're also
Actually, you
carrying
don't-
a
you don't
portable
wanna-
sink so that we can wash our hair and just basically just.
Okay, Hassan is
Be
past
nice.
that question when he said wash your hair.
Arjun, will you be able to dare and bear all the norms that she has explained right now?
I better, otherwise I'm not going to make it. She's going to leave me in the cold out there all by myself.
And Ranvijay, you?
I'm really happy that everybody's getting the right instructions, and the lesser clothes you have, the better it is, because then you don't have to choose out of all your kya pehenna hai aaj,
Amen.
how do you look stylish and all that. It's all out. Basic necessities like inners, and we've been given the exact number, one or two trekking pants, like just 2 for 20 days, and I'm down with it. I'm really happy that everything is specified and everybody has the same amount of things. It's not like once we are there, suddenly somebody is watching a film on a flat screen and all that. So I'm happy everybody's taking the same amount of stuff and we'll get to bond and talk to each other.
Wait, there's no flat screen?
No flat screens, bro.
Yeah, my question is Dilshad ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, your question is to you. Just wanted to know the preparation, what you made for them, like before going to Siachen. What was the
Sorry, I didn't-
preparation? What was the preparation?
We've been working on this trek for over a year and a half. It requires special permits from several different departments of the government as well as the military. And it's because of Colonel Kumar's good offices that we have got clearances from the military intelligence, from the directorate, from the Ministry of Defense, because most of you would know beyond Panamik, civilians are not allowed. And so it's been a good 1.5 years of working on getting this trek organized.
Sir, question again to Mr. Kumar. Sir, what would you like to give tips to them for this, all the to be heroes for Siachen?
पहला टिप तो ये है, climb high and sleep low, so that you can get acclimatized. दूसरा, drink lot of liquids, क्योंकि जब आप high altitude में जाते हैं and air is thin, there is less oxygen, you take most breaths and you lose lot of liquid. So you should keep on drinking as much liquid as possible.
Liquid means water.
To answer her question.
And there would be altitude problems, and that's why they are being taken around Stock Congaree to get acclimatized. They'll be climbing high, coming down, but still somebody might get headache and all that, and we are all prepared for any eventualities. I hope there are none. And we have a helicopter standby in case something happens. But somebody was saying here that I want to go up. I do not know if I'll come back. Going up is voluntary. Coming down is obligatory. So you all have to come down.
Hi, Namrata. Hi. People generally have the perception that models are very delicate and they don't do strong things. So,
Sorry, and it can be on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. The moment you use hashtag Salute Siachen, we will track it and we will count that as your salute to this initiative. So, yeah, guys, you have a lot of salutes to carry. Keep some space in that backpack.
मेरा सवाल सभी सितारों से है जो सियाचिन जाने वाले हैं आपके सामने से कि किस तरीके से आप तैयार हैं मेंटली एंड फिजिकली इस 15th अगस्त के लिए या इस सियाचिन जाने के लिए.
I think Shlok would be the right person to answer this.
नहीं सर, सभी लोग बोलेंगे तो सबके जहन की बात सामने आएगी. आप शुरू कर सकते.
मेरे लिए मेरा शरीर देखकर मुझे टेंशन हो गया था कि मैं जा पाऊंगा कि नहीं, लेकिन मैंने उनसे बात की और मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि थोड़े भारी शरीर के लोग भी ऊपर जा सकते हैं. तो मैं खुश हूँ कि मैं पहुँच जाऊँगा और वापस भी आऊँगा.
सर एक एक करके अगर आप सभी लोग.
नहीं, मैंने जिंदगी भर ट्रेनिंग की है, लेकिन अभी ऐसी कभी कुछ चीज़ की नहीं है और देखना चाहता हूँ कि उस ट्रेनिंग का कोई फ़ायदा है या नहीं। और अपने आप अपने बारे में जानने के लिए, और इतनी ऐसी जगह जहाँ आप किसी से भी टिकट नहीं खरीद सकते और कोई भी नहीं जा सकता, या चढ़ पाएंगे और वापस आ पाएंगे, और ज़िंदगी का वहाँ पे क्या एहसास होगा ये कहीं और नहीं मिल सकता। तो जब जुल्फ़ी ने आके बोला था कि आपको जाना है, तो मैंने तुरंत बोल दिया हाँ, बाकी कुछ सोचा ही नहीं। अब देखेंगे उसका क्या होगा।
रीजंस ऑफ डूइंग दिस तो अनेक हैं, लेकिन प्रेपरेशन जैसे कि आपका सवाल है, आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन एवर बी prepared enough to be in Siachen, but we are in very good hands. और आई थिंक हमारी प्रेपरेशन यही है कि हम जो दिलशाद मैम है उनकी सारी बातें सुने जो हम लेकर जा रहे हैं, वी अंडरस्टैंड कि वो क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं एंड वी फॉलो देम, बिकॉज इफ़ वी आर ऑलरेडी हियर, इफ़ वी आर चोजन physically, including Shlok, we're just joking, we're all physically fit, but वहाँ पर, like it was said earlier, you have to be mentally strong and you have to be able to listen to instructions and follow them. So that's our training. That's how we're getting prepared. We meet, we bond, and because at that place, our families is each other, our friends is each other, and we'll have a lot of time to know about each other and why each and every one of us is doing it. So that's the preparation, to be mentally strong.
I think since I initiated a lot of this work, long before you actually see this, what you see is a stage one, culmination of stage one for us. But I can tell you, and some of the visuals that you saw will tell you how supremely fit most of the people that you see on stage are. I know some people ask me, ये celebrities हैं, क्या इनकी आदत है चलने की, क्या नहीं है? But you'll be surprised the amount of hard work that they do, the amount of hours that they invest in keeping fit. And what we actually did is कि हमने एक group बना लिया था, और एक दूसरे से बात करते थे, एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करते थे, और जैसे जैसे हम करीब आते गए डिपार्चर डे के एंड इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के, एंड देन वी लीव ऑन 15th मॉर्निंग, हम वैसे वैसे अपनी ट्रेनिंग को और इंटेंसिव करते गए. जस्ट टू शेयर सम थिंग्स विथ यू, that last 2 weeks, every member over here has been drinking more than in excess to 5 liters of water, because you need to start, as you get closer to the date. And Vijay mentioned mental preparation, that itself is a thing. And the beauty of all this preparation and training and all the hard work that's gone in, कि journey अभी start नहीं हुई है. इतनी तैयारी तो अभी से start होने की. And most of you all know, you fly into Leh and then acclimatization. Then you are on the glacier, you're walking on scree in the first part of the journey, then you are on ice, you're going to be roped up to each other, you're going to cross crevasses. So it's quite intense. All I can tell you is that each member that you see on stage,
nothing more than 15 kilos. It'll get thrown out.
But during training session, like, what was it like? How was it like?
Can I answer that for 1 second? I think the training, people seem to have a misnomer about these long trekking expeditions. You have to build stamina, and cardio is one of the main things. But besides that, it's all here. No amount of training is going to get you to walk that 16 kilometers uphill at a 60-degree incline if your mind is not telling you that you can do it. Sorry.
So I think a lot of questions are, directed towards Dilshad. I'll just take 30 seconds to actually introduce her to you for people who don't know her. She's one of the pioneers as far as television industry is concerned. She came to India and set up some of the first television channels that were launched, the cable channels in India. She's headed a lot of companies in different capacities, and then suddenly she decided to quit the corporate life. How lucky. I wish all of us could do that. Very recently, not too long ago, she was on the cover of India Today Women's Magazine, very recently on the cover of Forbes Magazine. If you may permit me, if I can talk about it a little bit.
She's giving you the daggers, bro.
Yeah,
daggers.
6 weeks after a major
goes for him.
You know,
Can 1 kg of ours go to him? He carries 17.
It's going to.
Yeah.
6 weeks.
He's going to be the porter.
Yeah. 6 weeks after a major surgery, she trekked all the way up to the Everest base. She's now a motivational speaker. She attends, she speaks on different subjects, and she's also an expedition leader.
Also, when she gets fever, she runs it off on the treadmill.
Yeah,
She doesn't take a medicine, she runs it off on the treadmill. That's the
Yeah,
introduction.
very recently when we've got a group, we talk about it, and Dilshad said that, she keeps on advising us that 2 weeks to go, 10 days to go, 9 days to go, do this X, Y, Z. And then she posted something that she was not feeling too well, and her medicine, we go and pop in medicine, right? That's what we do. Or we rest it out. She got onto the treadmill, she ran for half an hour, 45 minutes, posted that video for us that the best way, if you're feeling unwell or you think you're getting into a flu, just run it out. So she was on the treadmill.
Or just run every day, you won't fall sick.
Okay, Yuvraj Valmiki, for you, considering that I think सारे sports person अभी बहुत कुछ face कर रहे हैं as far as Olympics and are so many opinions about them and not understanding what they have to go through. I want to personally ask you, for the sake of not just media but people who are going to be reading this, आपका message to the Olympians and what's happening there, and being a sports person, कि आप अपनी hockey stick वहाँ लेके जाने वाले हैं? Because somebody asked आप क्या क्या लेके जाओगे, so I'm very keen to know that.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है ना, जब देश की बात आती है तो वी एज एन इंडियन एंड आई एज अ हॉकी प्लेयर रिप्रेजेंट कंट्री. सो जब जुल्फी भाई ने जब ये कहा था कि आपको ये करने जाना है, सो आई थिंक वी ऑल ऑफ अस आर गोइंग देयर टू थैंक द इंडियन आर्मी फॉर व्हाट दे डू फॉर आवर कंट्री. सो एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट हॉकी स्टिक शायद अगर उल्टी होती तो मैं शायद ले जाता, बट येस विद द फ्लैग ऑन माई चेस्ट आई विल गो देयर एंड आई विल कम बैक स्ट्रॉन्गर.
Something, another very interesting about Yuvraj, when I met him first time, when I told him about this, he says, "Chalna hai." And then he followed it by saying, "मैं अभी just कश्मीर से वापस आया हूँ." ऐसे कश्मीर में क्या कर रहे थे? He said कि हमारे मराठा regiment वहाँ posted है, and wherever the Maratha regiment is posted, I visit them to motivate the soldiers. And we know that in the armed forces, hockey is a very, very popular game. The army has been one of the bedrocks of promoting the game and have some amazing players from the army, from the defense forces, as far as hockey is concerned. So wherever the Maratha regiment is posted, Yuvraj, whenever he's not playing, he makes it a point to take time out, visit the soldiers, and play a game with them and motivate them.
All right, we're going to just take one last question. I think we're running out of time now, so one last question.
Wanted to ask the organizer a question. So, Zulfi, it's to you. Since you've selected 9 people to go on an expedition to Siachen, of the 9, why just 2 women, especially with the fact that a lady as competent as Dilshad is heading the troop? Why just 2 women? Why not more than 2?
Okay. First one will be a bit of a joke, and then I'll give you a serious answer. Dilshad is equal to 9. Yeah. And I think everyone's going to tell you that. No, on
Just to balance the ratio.
Yeah, the weightage. Yeah. Yeah, but on a more serious note.
We asked him the same question. Why just 2 women, dude? I mean,
yeah. But on a more serious note, it was not intended like that. From the time Dilshad called me, and Dilshad doesn't give too much of leeway. She's very, very strict, let me tell you that. And she told me, you only have 10 days to give me 9 names. That's it. And Dilshad is not a person you can argue with. If she tells you it's 10 days, it's 10 days, And in 10 days, we spoke to a few people. There were more names, but you can understand that for all these people who live in a public life, they're top of their careers, they're doing some fantastic thing, the time commitment is phenomenal, And all of you all know, one is the prep work, and then 20 days being away from work. I wish I had more time. Next time you'll see a different skew altogether. But in that 10 days, I was actually hoping that there'll be some people who say, we'll think, we'll not think. But the beauty of it is that the first 9 that I spoke to, I told you, I spoke to 11 and 9 said, yes, let's go. And that's what, the time was also over, and that's how it happened. So it was not intended to be like that. It just happened. It all went in a flow, and I think the documentation and someone asks me how do you propose to share, we'll showcase the story. It's going to be a phenomenal series, phenomenal footage that we are going to get there. The story, we'll weave it together. So everything is on the go. And I think that's the way it should be. Yeah.
हाय अर्जुन, मेरा एक सवाल आपसे है कि आज़ादी के इतने सालों के बाद फिल्मों में जितने बदलाव आए हैं, आप इसे किस तरीके से देखते हैं एक एक्टर के नाते? फिल्मों का जो बदलाव आया है 47, 57, then 60s, then 70s, 90s, now 2016 में हम इस बदलाव को कैसे देखते हैं एक अभिनेता के तौर पर आप सारी फिल्मों के?
I think हर चीज़ में बदलाव आता है. I think that's something which is going to happen. Change is inevitable. It has to happen. There's going to be more growth. There's going to be different kind of technology, techniques, all of that people kind of bring. And you have to grow with the times. And I think that's exactly what's happening. बदलाव तो आना ही है. We can't be stuck in the 30s or the 40s all the time.
What question to be, like, is this event going to take place next year also? Are you planning to make it an annual event for?
I can tell you one thing. You know, the response that we've got from friends, colleagues in the industry, people who've helped us on the way, has been very, very encouraging. And why not? I think there are so many untold amazing stories in India. You know, and as a platform, I had a company where our core business is storytelling. And I think most of us are used to consume story in a particular way, or there are certain genres that we do. But there are phenomenal stories that are there which need to be told. And I actually believe, why not? I think these are our stories, and they need to be told. So I'm hoping that why next year? Maybe sooner.
हसन, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे, आप बहुत देर से शांत हैं, कुछ बताएं इस ट्रिप के बारे में और कैसे 20 डेज आपके होने वाले हैं?
या 20 डेज बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाले हैं. इस ट्रिप के बारे में I'll just sum it up with all the questions that you guys have asked throughout. Agreeing with everything that all my comrades have said. Actor, model, mentally और physically बहुत tough होता है. हम वो लोग हैं जो अपने घर बार छोड़ के आए थे इस शहर में और हम आज आपके सामने बैठे हैं. तो हमारी फिजिकल और मेंटल टफनेस वहाँ से है. एज इंडियंस वी आर प्राउड. हम लोग तो इतनी अच्छी जगह बैठे हैं, अभी घर जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे, घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, फिल्म देखेंगे, और वो जो कुछ हम कर रहे हैं अपने लिए कर रहे हैं, मज़े में कर रहे हैं. बाय द टाइम वी आर डूइंग ऑल दिस एंड ऑल द टाइम दैट वी आर डूइंग ऑल दिस, वो लोग वहाँ खड़े हैं ताकि हम ये सब कर सकें आराम से. तो ये एक ऐसा मौका है जो बहुत खुशकिस्मती से मिलता है. सो दैट इज़ द इंस्पिरेशन, दैट थैंक यू दैट वी कैन से थैंक यू. और ये 20 दिन सब साथ में उस थैंक यू करने जा रहे हैं और बहुत मज़े करने जा रहे हैं. सो यस, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
All right, at that note, I think we'll call it a wrap. Friends from the media who'd like to stay back, get some interviews, one-on-ones, you can stay back. The rest can join us for some tea, coffee, and snacks. Thank you very much, everybody. Do spread the word, #salute Siachen. We want this message to go out loud and clear to all Indians who want to send their salutes to the soldiers. And a big round of applause for our participants who are going to trek. All the best, guys. We'll see you on the other side of the camera.